shining like a Fifth Avenue diamond, and they don't make you like they used to. You're never going out of style. By the way, I hate that stupid old pickup truck and never let me drive. You ain't redneck, heartbreakers really better lie.
Unicorn? Unicorn? Ha ha ha. Guys, really quick, make sure to check the description box down below. Hey guys, you're on PINKICE13 and today's video is going to be... I don't really know what I'm going to title this video yet, but let's just say how to get bougie looking nails for under...
like what, $10? When you could go to like any nail salon, and my area, the most cheapest nail salon I've ever been to, it was $17, just the boxed ones. Not the stilettos, not the coffins. The coffins cost like $20, $3 extra. You know, these you can shape them to whatever shape or form you want.
Without further ado, pause. Hit that subscribe button, girl. Make that subscribe button great. Note to self, stop trying to sing Brit. And once you hit that red subscribe button, once it turns gray, a little bell button will pop up. Make sure to hit that because sometimes when you subscribe, it doesn't like notify you. Sometimes it does notify you, sometimes it doesn't notify you. It's however YouTube's feeling that day. It's however your phone is operated. If like sometimes when you unprogram your phone, you say I don't want notifications, so you have to like manually do it. So yeah, so just make sure to hit that little bell button so that we'll get notified the seconds I upload. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you want me to do more nail related videos. And make sure to share this video with your friends or family so that way you could be like, you could like share them little tips so that way they could save on their next nail salon trip. Because let's face it, there's some people, yeah, I know a lot of people get their nails done because of time. But like, let's say you actually want to, like, you have the time or you're actually pretty good at nail designs, but you don't want to like, so you find it kind of pointless to like go to the nail salon and like pay all that money when you could do it, but you like fake nails, so like, here we go, you get fake nails and you could do it as however you please to design without having to pay those ridiculous amounts of charges. My nail salon, okay, $17 just to say the boxed. Then the design, each design costs $5. Okay, I'd understand if they told me $5, like a basic design on like 4 of the nails, but now if you tell me per like this per like 2 nails $5, it's like, boy, who do you think you are? What? Like, you know, you don't make those faces again. But like, we are real fam. We make ugly faces here, so don't worry, we ain't superficial here. Okay, so let's actually get started with the tutorial because you guys are probably like, oh, she's rambling too much. Which we're gonna need for this marvelous bougie fake nail look. Okay, so I'm gonna promise you, like, right off the bat, don't expect these nails to last, like, don't expect these nails to last 2 or 3 weeks like normal acrylic nails do. I would personally recommend these nails for a special occasion. Like most people, not most, like probably half of the people that get acrylic nails is probably for an event, and half of them do it because they like always having acrylics on their nails. If I had the guap to always have acrylics on my nails, I'd always have acrylics on my nails. I don't know, I'm just like that. But there's some people that only like it temporarily, and if you're that person that likes having nails like for temporarily or like for a special event, I recommend you save that guap, just buy yourself a kit and you'll have nails for a million events. So let's just start off with what you're gonna need. So these are my kiss nails. They didn't cost me more than $10, guys, but it didn't cost less than $5. So between like $5 or $7. Super cheap. And it comes with like, I don't know exactly because I ripped out this thingy. I got this pack of nails so many years ago. I've been having the same pack of nails probably for like a good 2 years without lying. 2 or 3 years. I don't always put on nails. I used to be super obsessed. I remember 6th grade. I'm a junior. obviously this isn't the same nail pack. It was like a long time ago. I was obsessed. Every weekend I would have perfectly manicured fingers throughout middle school. I don't know why I've been slacking. But yeah, next. This is a new adhesive. Well, it's not new, but like it's new to me. I just recently got this. This is a Kiss Power Flex. So since it's new, it still has like the package. It's a Kiss Power Flex nail glue. I like it because it applies just like polish, guys. Look, it's the Flex Formula Ultra Hold, and it says that it's a #1 nail glue brand. It's made in the USA. I personally think that the best products are made home because home is home. Home would never let you down, you know? And you're gonna need the nail polish of your preference. I am not going to tell you guys the name of this nail polish because me being bored, I just started mixing all my nail polishes together and I just got this weird color with like black specks. Yes, it is in a paparazzi nail bottle. And it was in the shade Forever Sunset, and if I'm not mistaken, it was a holographic nail polish. I will insert in the eye over here my nail polish collection. This was an old nail polish collection. I don't own half of those nail polishes anymore, but I am pretty sure that shade is in that video. And if you're interested in some nail polishes, make sure to check that video. And you're gonna need nail files. You could use any nail file. You could use any nail brand. I know that they sell Sally's. At Sally's they sell nails, and at Walmart you need these nails. Just go to Sally's or Walmart. They sell them. And then for the glue, same. You could get them at Sally's or at Walmart. Or CVS and Walgreens. They sell them there too. Same nail file. You could use any nail file. Nail files. This is, if I'm not mistaken, the Revlon brand. It came with 24 files. The nail polish, you could literally get a nail polish at Dollar Tree, same as any nail file at Dollar Tree. So that's $2. Or the nail glue didn't cost me more than $4. Like legit, I spent less, probably $12. So let's just call it the $10 nail, because you can get them cheaper at Sally's, yeah, because Sally has like multiple brands. Meanwhile, Walmart has like 1 or 2 brands like at drugstores. So I recommend you going to Sally's. I believe they're cheaper there. I'm not sure. I'm going to link down below in the little eye in the description box so you guys could check it out yourselves. A few different nail options. And I recommend you buying the full nail, not the tips. Because the tips is meant for like acrylics, but you could file them. I'll show you how to file them down to fit your whole nail. So, first thing that you're gonna have to do, girl, is measure the nail. You have a million different nails to choose from, and no, girl, the million different nails are not gonna fit you. Not gonna fit you at all. Look, I'm gonna show you. Like right here. Look, that does not fit me. You see how it covers my whole nail? Don't fit me. Don't fit me. Don't fit me. But here's a little trick. Let's say you love doing your nails by yourself, but you ran out of all your nail shape, your actual shaped nail. What you're gonna do is you're gonna grab the nail and you're gonna file the edges. But like you always keep the rounded shape. Look how I'm filing it to keep the rounded shape. And then you keep on measuring and measuring until it fits your nail. So let's just fast forward this. Boom! Bam! It fits me now. You see? All you have to do is file the nail. Both sides, not just one side, obviously. You just file it. And then until you keep on measuring it, because the nail is going to keep on shrinking until it fits your nail size. Well, if the nail is too small, then you have to discard those nails, or you could give them to a girl with skinnier fingers than you. Okay? Okay, guys. So a little life hack is to make, since these nails don't really last long, but to give the longevity of the nail on your hand a little bit of boost, file down your nail. Girl, every time you go to the nail salon or you've never been to the nail salon, well, let's say you have never, they always have to file down your nails because it's to remove the excess oil, not the excess oil, like the oil, so that way the glue doesn't interfere with the oil on your nail, because it'll just slide off. And for many times that I've put on my fake nails a lot of time, and I'd always ask myself, why do these nails come off so quickly? And then I realized I don't remove the oil off my nail. That's why. So let's go on with the gluing process. I have chosen all my 10 nails now, but I fitted them all so that way I don't have to like glue and then find another nail. No, I just found my nails that fit my nail, and I'm gonna glue them to speed up the process.
To tell Faye where it's supposed to go with it. Don't you blink, you might miss it. See, we got a right to just love it or leave it. You find it and keep it, cause it ain't every day you get the chance to say, oh, this is how it starts. Lightning strikes the heart. It goes off like a gun, brighter than the sun. Oh, we could be the stars.
I am finished, guys. They look crazy. Don't judge the nails because they're gonna look bad and bougie. They're probably like 1, 2, 3. To kill the craziness, don't pull away the filer. And I forgot to tell you, keep clippers next to you because you're going to need these. You need to clip these really ugly looking nails. You get to clip them however you want, girl. You pick the design you want to do. Stiletto, you could do coffin. I'm debating whether to do almond or boxed. Probably almond because I have some of my nails are naturally pre-cut almond.
Like this one, this Missy is pre-cut almond, so I'll probably just go with the almond style. Okay.
They look so ugly, but that's why we got a nail file. I'm just gonna go with the almond shape on my nails. So that's basically like just filing them rounded. If you see like the same way you filed the tips, that's the same way you're gonna do to the top. Basically, you're just gonna have an oval nail. See what a little nail filer does? What a little nail clipper does? Time to Van Gogh our nails. Pretty sure you guys know how to paint nails. Okay guys, so we made it to the end of this video. Look how cute they look. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up if you love the way my nails ended and you want me to upload more nail related videos. So subscribe down below if you want already so that we'll get notified the second I upload, and share my video with your friends and family. Share to all your gal pals so that way they can get their nails looking super cute for a super low cost. So God bless. If God permits, you will see me soon. Bye. You look so pretty.
It's Friday night freedom, football game is proud of where you're from. It's your last name, there's 13 stripes, 50 stars, and we